Welcome to Sim Code. Keep your coding journey going strong. Hit like, subscribe, and let's keep learning together. Unpacking argument lists in Python allows you to pass a variable number of arguments to a function by unpacking iterables, like lists or tuples, or dictionaries. This is done using the asterisk operator for iterables and for dictionaries. When you use asterisk args in a function definition, it collects all positional arguments into a tuple, enabling you to pass a variable number of arguments. Similarly, quargs collects all keyword arguments into a dictionary, allowing flexibility with named arguments. When calling a function, you can unpack an iterable or dictionary into individual arguments using asterisk, or before the iterable or dictionary. This feature is useful for writing functions that are flexible and can handle different numbers of inputs. This example demonstrates how to use Python's flexible argument unpacking mechanisms *args and quargs to handle variable numbers of arguments in functions. The calculate_sum *numbers function calculates the sum of any number of integers passed as arguments by unpacking them into a tuple, while the create_profile *user_info function creates a user profile by accepting various key-value pairs as keyword arguments and storing them in a dictionary. The example uses a list of numbers and a dictionary of user details to illustrate the use of these features. The goal is to show how to write flexible functions that can adapt to different numbers of arguments, making the code more reusable and efficient. Function to calculate the sum of multiple numbers passed as arguments. Numbers is a tuple that can hold any number of positional arguments passed to the function. The asterisk in the function definition allows us to pass an arbitrary number of arguments, and Python will pack them into a tuple for easy processing inside the function. Example: if we call calculate_sum 10, 20, 30, numbers will be 10, 20, 30. The variable total is initialized to 0. This is an integer, and will store the cumulative sum of all numbers. The purpose of total is to hold the result of adding all numbers passed to the function. The for loop iterates through each item in the numbers tuple. Each iteration assigns one number from the tuple to the variable number. In each iteration, the current number is added to the total variable. The plus equals operator is shorthand for total equals total plus number. This continues until all numbers have been processed, resulting in the sum of all numbers passed. After the loop finishes, the final sum, stored in total, is returned to the caller. The return value is an integer that represents the sum of all the numbers passed to the function. Function to create a user profile with various attributes. **user_info allows the function to accept an arbitrary number of keyword arguments, which are passed as a dictionary. The *** syntax collects all the keyword arguments passed to the function and stores them in the user_info dictionary. Example: if we call create_profile, name equals John, age equals 30, user_info will be name, John, age 30. The profile variable will be used to store the user_s details, such as name, age, etc. A dictionary is chosen here because it allows us to store the attributes, keys, and their corresponding values in pairs. The for loop iterates over each key-value pair in the user_info dictionary. Key represents the name of the attribute, like name, age, and value represents its corresponding value, like John, 30. In each iteration, the current key-value pair is added to the profile dictionary. Profile, key, equals value adds the attribute, key, and its value to the profile dictionary. This builds the profile dynamically based on the keyword arguments passed to the function. After the loop finishes, the profile dictionary is returned to the caller. The return dictionary contains all the user attributes and their corresponding values passed to the function. Example of using the *args for multiple numbers to be summed. Numbers is a list that stores multiple integers that we want to sum up. A list is used here because it holds an ordered collection of values and allows us to easily store and modify numbers. This line calls the calculate_sum function and passes the unpacked list numbers as individual arguments using the * operator. The * operator is used to unpack the list, meaning that each number in the list is passed as a separate positional argument to the function. So, the call calculate_sum *numbers is equivalent to calling calculate_sum 10, 20, 30, 40. The function calculate_sum will then add the numbers and return the total sum. Finally, the print function outputs the string sum of numbers, followed by the calculated sum. Example of using the coargs for creating a user profile with multiple attributes. User_details is a dictionary storing key-value pairs, where the keys are the attribute names, e.g. name, age, and the values are the corresponding details for those attributes, e.g., John 30, New York. A dictionary is used here because it allows us to pass a flexible number of key-value pairs to the function. This line calls the create_profile function and passes the unpack dictionary user_details as keyword arguments using the operator. The *** operator unpacks the dictionary, passing each key-value pair as a separate keyword argument to the function. So, the call create_profile, **user_details, is equivalent to calling create_profile, name equals John, age equals 30, city equals New York. The create_profile function will then process these keyword arguments and return a dictionary that represents the user's profile. Finally, the print function outputs the string user profile, followed by the created profile dictionary. Guys, it's time for a joke. Why did the Python function break up with the numbers? Because it just could not handle all the arguments. Now run our code. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like and subscribe to stay updated.